What's up, guys? We're here at Cloudcroft, New Mexico, and we're gonna get on this tubing system where you just slide down the hill and enjoy the ride. Woo!
The fast one, that was the fast one.
Watch out, he's still there! You better hurry! Move out of the way! All right, here we go. Bye-bye. Here we go, you better move! Here I go! Oh shit! All right, here I go. I tried. Yeah, you can do it like that. Just keep it like this, okay? Like that. Don't turn it. Keep it like that. All right? Straight like you. Use this right here.
Like, can you get my face?
No, keep your face on. Don't push it down. Just leave it like that. Just hold on to it. Bye. Bye-bye.
Ready?
I would help you if I could, sir, but it's just impossible.
That's fine. I got it. Bye.